Hello everyone out there, this is your girl Mosmi. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so when I come online you get notified. And today we are going to learn about a daily skincare routine for acne prone skin, and this is a home remedy. The ingredients that we are going to use for the skincare routine are readily available in our house, so let's get started. So the first thing we are going to do is go ahead and wash our face with lukewarm water and a mild soap or a daily scrub, or you could use a face wash to go ahead and clean your skin. So I've gone ahead and washed my face with lukewarm water, and I have used my daily scrub that I generally use. This is the one by Clean and Clear, and it is manufactured by Johnson & Johnson's. I really love this one. You could also use another it's a face wash that I am talking about. It's by Himalaya Aloe Vera one, and why I like this is because it goes ahead and provides coolness because it has aloe vera in it, and it is really nice. So you can use this, or you could also use a baby soap. I would say people who have a lot of pimples on their face should always stick to something that is very mild, because products which are harsh are going to add up to the breakouts that you would have on your skin. So since we have gone ahead and washed our face, and we need to go ahead and pat dry our face. So once we pat dry our face, we are going to use this aloe vera. So the aloe vera that I am using is by Patanjali. You could also go ahead and extract the aloe vera directly from the aloe vera plant. So the richness of this aloe vera is going to go ahead and penetrate completely in our skin, because the pores right now are open, and what the warm water does is it goes ahead and takes off all the excess oil that has been building up on your skin throughout the day. So you are going to instantly feel that your skin has become soft, and you won't feel that greasy that you generally feel, because warm water is taking off all that excess that I said is built up throughout the day. So we're going to take a very little amount of this aloe vera gel on our fingertips, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this in circular motion all over my face. So why we are applying this aloe vera gel is because the aloe vera gel goes ahead and further provides some coolness, because a lot of inflammation is caused due to the acne that we have all over our face, or the acne that we have in some spots of our face. So this is going to go ahead and cool that down, and the richness is going to go ahead and penetrate, like I said, and it's going to give us the maximum benefit that we would get by this aloe vera. So we are going to go ahead and leave the aloe vera on for 20 minutes and let it dry, and I'll be right back with you. So the aloe vera is now dried up. So to check if it is completely dried or not, what you can do is you can just push your hand onto the skin and see if you feel it's sticky. If not, then it is dried. So the next step after the aloe vera has dried is you need to take an ice cube and go in circular motion all over your face. This is going to go ahead and tighten the pores and make your skin tight, which is really important, and it's going to go ahead and lock all the richness that the aloe vera gel has provided us. I am not going ahead and applying ice cube because I'm prone to cold. People who are prone to cold can go ahead and skip this particular step, and if you're not going ahead and applying an ice cube, you do not need to wash this. You can sleep with the aloe vera gel on, because it's already dried, and it is going to work overnight and give more richness to your skin. So that is perfectly fine. You don't need to wash it. So this is a daily skincare routine for acne prone skin, and let me be really honest, this is something that is not going to give you a result overnight. You have to go ahead and follow this religiously every day. Maybe some people might need it for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, depending upon the skin type, but you are going to go ahead and notice a change every 2 weeks. It would take about 1.5 weeks to 2 weeks to go ahead and show that change or difference in your skin, and trust me, it is going to be amazing. You just need to go ahead and follow this religiously. And this is not a permanent solution. Why I am saying this is because acne is something that is caused due to a lot of things: stress, hormonal changes, less consumption of water. So you have to make sure that you keep yourself hydrated. So by doing this routine, what we are doing is we are going ahead and keeping a control over the excessive oil that is settled on our skin throughout the day, because our skin is oily and we have open pores. So this is going to help you, but it is going to take time, and you have to keep doing this. You will also see a glow that would come to your face with time, and it is going to be amazing. You are going to love it. So please try this. Let me know how it works for you guys. I would like to go ahead and make more such videos and give you all my tips and tricks to help you further, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.